Kootenay Watershed Science, building an understanding of our watersheds for a safe and sustainable future. Drinking water, irrigation, forest fire management, fish and ecosystem health, and safe development are all essential for the well-being and sustainability of our Kootenay communities. In 2012, Kootenay scientists and concerned citizens got a wake-up call. A massive landslide on a creek near Johnson's Landing, BC that killed 4 people and destroyed several houses. The slide reinforced the fact that there is a lack of understanding of how small and medium-sized watersheds currently function in the Kootenays and how climate change will affect our watersheds and essential water supplies in the future. Kootenay Watershed Science was born by taking over and adding to the initiative that had begun in 2007 by the Kaslo District Community Forest Society. Kootenay Watershed Science now monitors 7 small and medium-sized watersheds, including 7 sites that monitor flow and temperature, 3 climate stations monitoring precipitation and temperature, and 2 snow course stations that track snow accumulation and melt over the winter. This essential climate and stream flow monitoring network is designed to build an in-depth understanding of our watersheds and enable decision makers to make smart choices about water management under climate change to ensure that we have an ability to meet the needs of all water users and that our communities are safe from floods and forest fires. In summer of 2021, KWS began an alpine lake monitoring program which will monitor the health and function of alpine lakes in our region.
Hi everyone, this is Paul Sasso with the North Kootenay Lake Water Monitoring Project. I'm out on one of our streams. This one's called Ben Hur. We're up north of Kaslo here, and this is one of our high elevation streams that we monitor. So it's super important to monitor these types of areas because with climate change coming in, we don't know exactly what's happening with our water supply. And we don't know what's going to be available for fire suppression, for water resource use, and even just for when we're designing bridges, working on development, we need to know how much flow is coming down these things so we can build our infrastructure appropriately.
We now have over 10 years of data collected at some of our stations, making our data set extremely useful for researchers, planners, and building an understanding of our watersheds. Thanks for watching, everyone, and thanks so much for supporting Kootenay Watershed Science.